Use Excalidraw for YouTube video. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open your Excalidraw canvas and make sure the project where you want to place the video is already loaded. Excalidraw supports embedding YouTube videos through compatible video links, making it easy to include video content directly within your diagrams, presentations, or visual notes. Next, open a new browser tab and navigate to YouTube. Once the website has loaded, search for and open the video that you want to embed into your Excalidraw canvas. After finding the correct video, copy the video's URL. With the link copied, return to your Excalidraw tab. Click anywhere on the canvas to make sure it is active and ready to receive new content. Next, press Ctrl+V on your keyboard to paste the YouTube link directly onto the canvas. Excalidraw will automatically detect and process the URL. Once the process is complete, verify that a video embed appears on the canvas. If prompted, click the embedded video to activate it. You can then use the available video controls to play, pause, or interact with the content directly from within Excalidraw. After testing the video, click anywhere outside the embedded player to exit interaction mode and return to normal canvas editing. Select the video block by clicking on it once. You can then drag the corner handles to resize the embedded video and make it larger or smaller depending on your layout requirements. If needed, add arrows, shapes, labels, notes, or other visual elements around the video to create context and improve the overall presentation. Take a moment to review the entire layout and make any final adjustments to spacing, alignment, or positioning. Once everything looks correct, your YouTube video is successfully embedded in the Excalidraw canvas and is ready to be used as part of your project, presentation, documentation, or collaborative workspace for future reference.